Hey there, Wanderers. So I just got a couple things in the mail, some very exciting stuff. I got a new Sanity tracker, and I got some promos, so let's check it out. Whoa. It's magnetic. Oh. Oh, so cool. Gorgeous. Alright, I can't wait to use that in my games. And here we go. Yes. I actually have one of these amazing conductor's ticket promos. Man, look at that. Really awesome. Let's go ahead and read what it says. Conductor's ticket. The conductor's ticket in the Backrooms, when used on the Void, simultaneously sends the ticket card, the Void card, and all entities on the field of play to the discard pile. This singular, powerful action results in the ticket's one-time use, clearing the FOP effectively. Awesome. This was originally just for backers, but Gear Snakes was nice enough to extend me one of these. Really appreciate that. And of course, we have the second Discord promo. Man, it's like so cool. Definitely feeling honored to have a second one in hand. Man, that foiling effect, so cool. Awesome stuff, just gorgeous. So excited to have all this in my collection. Alright, thanks so much for coming to the unboxing. I hope you had a good time, and I look forward to the next time that we can hang out, play some Backrooms. Alright, take care.